Ready for dictation? Start. We have tried to inject a sense of urgency in the final document, and the proof of it is that it has recognized the major problems of the day, whether it be unemployment or regional imbalances or other major problems. Full stop. The solution to some of these problems bears to delay, and they must be tackled with urgency and with determination. Full stop. But there are certain conditions in which we must work. Full stop. There are certain accepted parameters. Full stop. One is the democratic process. Full stop. Many people would like us to do several things, some of which we also agree are the right things to do. But we are committed to one democratic process to work with the consent of the people, to take along with us as many of the people and as many of the parties as possible. Stop. But sometimes this does slow the process. Full stop. I think that even though it makes the process slower, it strengthens the process and it strengthens whatever work we take the hand. Full stop. Now, the second parameter with which perhaps some people do not agree, but which we have set for ourselves, is that of a mixed economy. Stop. A mixed economy has many faults, but in the circumstances in the country, our government feel that this is one of the conditions which we must set ourselves. Stop. I do not think that by a mixed economy it means merely that some big families take advantage of it. Stop. Many of man and under mixed economy of our conception, people should be able to take many programs in hand and work for themselves. Full stop change. I know that some families, some groups, some business houses have taken advantage of a particular situation as it arose immediately after independence, and it is our endeavor to see how we can curb this kind of monopolistic tendency. Stop. It is not possible in the circumstances in which we are to put a sudden break. Full stop. We cannot change this particular situation overnight. Full stop. It has to be done in a way which gives the least shock to the economy. Stop. But it must also be done in a way which reduce the delay. Stop. By lessening the shock, I do not mean that we go so slow that our program become ineffective, because that would be defeating the very purposes for which we are making new programs. Stop. But it does mean that along with the desire for social justice, which is not only a genuine desire, the practical needs of the country today must be attended to the fullest satisfaction. Stop. Full stop change. The only we can solve the major problem of the day, whether it be unemployment or any such other problem. Full stop. Thank you.